This is Renee Rabbit making a quick short video here. I'm out in Costa Rica, so this isn't going to be one of my produced videos, but I wanted to give away some fireplace tools. And so the first part of this is I've got an architectural block here that is actually built from a couple cabinets. And I'm just going to center it on a fireplace that I've placed using the fireplace tool. And then let's just unblock this and take a look at what it looks like in camera. So you can see here I've got my logo's on the back end of this, but there's a couple ways to modify that so that disappears. And I left that there on purpose. It's good marketing for me. But so this is what the fireplace looks like. You can see here this is Chief's fireplace is placed in the wall, but mine is just a couple cabinets, and so they're pretty dynamic. They can use that parametric rescaling here, if you will. Let's see, I'm going to hold my C key to spread this out. And what I've got here is, I've got a taper here, and what this is actually a sink placed into this cabinet, so that if I hit tab on the cabinet, you can see that that disappears. And I can put that right back by using this fireplace taper sink, adding it to the top of this. And then you can adjust just the depth of that taper if you need to. But it looks pretty good out of the box. Of course, you can adjust the width of the upper section as well, and you can adjust the width of that taper as well. So holding my C key, I can change this upper section, and then maybe I should have done that taper first. So let's actually go back a step. There we go. So I'm going to select this cabinet, hit my tab key, and then holding C, I can resize this taper. And then same thing, hit that C key, resize this upper section. And let's just take a look at the top of this thing. The top of this has a sinkhole in it as well. Oh, we're going to get a lot of lag while I'm recording. Well, unfortunately, while I'm recording, it just slows my computer down so much because of the throttle. Anyways, there is in fact a sinkhole in the top of this. The only way it shows up appropriately, though, is you need to select both these cabinets again and go back and block it. Once you've blocked it, that hole on the top here will show up correctly. And you can adjust that hole the same way we adjusted the taper on the lower section here. Then the last bit of this is I just have a fireplace hearth tool on the inside. Now keep in mind, because this lower section is a cabinet, you can change the hole on the back side of this cabinet so that it looks like your firebox. So I hope that helps. Hope that's enough description for you guys to get to use these tools and enjoy.